OK, and then we can carry on with the walkthrough. So let's advance through the second door on this side here. So again, let's just try and aim for the door, and you'll get a feel for this. It's a bit like learning how to ride a bicycle. Once you've learned, then it will become second nature to you, and then we can just swing our angle, go through the door, keep going forward, and you'll find that it's quite a gentle movement. There's no abrupt movements from the moving the mouse around. It just nice and gently moves around. So again, let's just save another view here. So we'll save view as, and we'll call this showroom 1. Click on OK, and we can use the slide tool as well now. So if you just press the mouse thumb wheel, that automatically goes into the slide. So again, you can adjust the position around that point there, and again we just wheel the mouse wheel forward just to advance us into the view. Click back on the walk view here and just move the pointer across to the right, gives us a look around, then move the pointer forward, and we can go across, heading back towards where we came in. Press the control key down to accelerate a little bit, and let's turn around now. So move the pointer across to the right, and we can see the passage we went down and the staircase here. Let's save that view. So view, save view as, and this time we'll call it showroom 2. Click on OK, and let's try and advance up the stairs. So if we just roll the mouse wheel forward gently, and let's just click back on our walk and just look up the stairs in the direction we want to go. Hold the thumb wheel, press control, and let's just go and look up in the direction we want to travel, and then we can walk up the stairs. Okay, and again we probably just need to adjust the view, so again we can keep walking up the stairs. And we're part way up, so again let's adjust the view, and again we can keep walking until we get to the top of our stairs. Probably a little bit low there. Top of our stairs, advancing, and let's do thumb wheel control, and let's adjust our view, our eye line. Let's look around, getting down into the showroom now, on the top of our stairs, and let's just quickly use our slide button to adjust our position so that we're on the top of the deck here, the gallery, and hoping I'm not making you too seasick with some of these abrupt moves. So adjust the view again, control across there, and again let's do view, save view as, and we'll call this showroom 3. Click on OK. You can recover any of your saved views at any time. If you just expand the window name in the document organizer here, you can see here are the views that we've saved. So if we just double click on them, we can open them, and I think that's probably as good a view as any to render. We'll have a quick look at the render settings. So if we do the environment first, and let's change the background. Oh no, the background's okay. I think we've already got a horizon set. There's no exterior model, so this just gives us a very vague simulation of sky and ground beyond the glazing. Click on OK there, and look at render options, and we've got the image quality set to best, so it's going to be quite a good render. There are options on things like global illumination that we'll look at in a completely separate set of videos, and you can just click on render now, and you get the new progressive render in MicroGDS now, so you don't have to wait till it's finished doing the render calculations. It will actually generate the scene and improve it as the render progresses. There's still a lot of work to do in this model, of course. It's not all the materials are defined, there are no lights in the scene, and there's no entourage. The vehicles and plants and furniture and people in the showroom would make a huge difference. So we just let that run its course, so you can see how quickly we can get a fairly decent model even with all of the glass in the scene. And glass does tend to increase render times because of all the refraction and reflection that is being processed. Glass materials do calculate refraction fairly accurately as well, so you need to be aware that that's going on. And there are lots of individual pieces of glass here for the handrail and the staircase, all of which add to the processing time. You can see the overall progress has it's gone beyond halfway. It's just over a minute, so it's not doing too badly at all for this. What is really quite a complex little scene to render. When I first planned this video, I thought I might have to interrupt this stage of the process because it would take too long. But in fact, when I ran the tests, it was excellent, and here we are. It's rushing through, and that's it. We're rendered, and you can save the render from here. So just by render, save as, and you can place that in your raster folder in your project or wherever, renders, and give it a new name. So we can just do demo render for this one. Set the file type. In this case, we're using a PNG file, which is a fairly compact and fairly high quality standard image file. And that's it for the walkthrough for now.